Hi everyone. Today we are going to site visit to learn about the centralized air conditioning system. This is overview of the centralized air conditioning system. Let's go to the central plant located at UiTM Pasir Gudang.
The evaporator function to cool down warm water from the building before sending back as chilled water. The condenser removes heat from the refrigerant using cool water from the cooling tower. The entire process is controlled by the electric chiller, which uses electric energy to keep the cooling cycle running efficiently. This HVAC system uses a water cycle to transfer heat. Hot water exits the condenser after absorbing heat from the refrigerant. The hot water flows to the cooling tower through yellow pipe where it is cooled by outdoor air and the fan rotating at the top. Cool water is then pumped back to the condenser through blue pipe to absorb heat from the hot refrigerant coming from the compressor.
So in this blue barrel, there are a admixture that will be pumped into the pipes to prevent the pipes from any corrosion.
Okay guys, next we are going to the top of the building that contain the water tank. The function of the water tank is it acts as a reservoir to supply water to the cooling tower. By the way, the function of the pipe is to pass water into all the building at the UiTM Pasir Gudang. Inside this building, the cold water goes into the ahu, where it absorbs heat from the indoor air and becomes hot. So, the piping system plays a key role in moving water through the centralized air conditioning system. It starts when hot water, which has absorbed heat from inside the building, leaves the air handling unit's ahu. This hot water travels through a return pipe back to the central plant where the cooling tower is located, and then the cold water is pumped back into the system.
So next, the water from the cooling system will transfer to the air handling unit at the building, and it will supply the air and return the air back to the cooling tower. This is the centrifugal fan, a fan that push air through duct to different parts of the building like office and classroom. So from this site visit, we learn about the centralized air conditioning and the cooling system tower. So that's all for now. Thank you.